What you see right now is an exercise that is being conducted of a mock airstrike that has happened on a building. In the case of such a situation, how the evacuation process will take place is what you are seeing. Please understand that this is just representational. This is an exercise that is being conducted to just understand the preparedness on the ground. We've already seen the kind of escalation that's taken place from across the border ever since the Pahalgam attack, and that's exactly why all the mechanisms of the country, whether they are prepared, that's why you see this evacuation mechanism is taking place. Over here, what you're seeing is an exercise of mock drill in case of an airstrike on a building where the message is such that some people have been trapped inside who are being brought out. So children are being brought out. These are people from the DFS and there are people from the civil defense as well. This is also to put the entire machinery in order just to ensure that the country is as prepared as our forces who are guarding the border. We've already given response to terrorism, but this is about saving India's inside. And that is the reason these are the kind of mechanisms that are being put in place, that are being checked, because let's be assured, this time the country stands united, ready and prepared for what may come. We do not mean war, but if there is an enemy country sitting across the border trying to hurt us, they must know that India stands together. With video journalist Sachin Shindok, this is Shiva Chatterjee for India Today.